Hello everyone. The topic that we have to discuss today is an opportunity. Take a look at a quote by Albert Einstein. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunities. We all are facing problem in this pandemic situation. Yes, it's a difficult time, but there are opportunity for us. Before we gonna look on the opportunities lies ahead, it's good to know what do you mean by opportunity. Sometimes we miss, sometimes we'll taken ahead in the next slides. So we will see what is an opportunity. If you look at a Google dictionary, number of definitions are available. The typical definition for an opportunity is the time to set of circumstances that makes it possible to do something. In other way, or in other words, we can say the situation in which it is possible for you to do something that you want to do. It means set of circumstances to do positive work. We can say in this pandemic situation, we have to ask two questions to ourselves. First, is it a good time to do something? If yes, then what exactly we can do? Answer to this question is something we want to do that opportunities have to do coupled up with us on the basis of our activities or the events we are trying to initiate and wants to complete or finish it in the given time. There are multiple options in our hands, but we have to choose the exact option to do something as an opportunity for our better future. Let's see an example. I decided to join a gym in the month of April, but suddenly this pandemic happened and I lost that opportunity. Another example we can see here, I planned a family tour, booked ticket for all, decided to go to some places, but whole plan had to be ended because of lockdown and that opportunities was lost. What we can say, I miss these opportunities? No, but I have to find out some other way to do something. We can say every decision give you to the opportunities to take credit for creating your own life. We can say you are not doing any work in favor of yourself is a disappointment. Reframe your scale to redefine your experience in your life for upcoming opportunities. So you have to reframe yourself, you have to refresh yourself, redefine yourself with your experience for upcoming opportunities. Or we can say, if we decided to go for a gym or travel with a family and we think it's a bad decision, we can say bad decisions are your opportunities to master the art of self-forgiveness. We can say here, if you make a bad decision, you may the hardest on yourself. Before creating any consequence of your decision, just move on and forgive yourself. No one is perfect on our own decision. Beauty of acceptance is to move forward. So don't think so that this is your bad decision, but you can choose another opportunities, another choice to do something in this era. So we can see opportunity to choose any other alternatives. You choose it from the alternatives, but that should be a unique one. Should be unique. Whatever the opportunities or whatever the choice you have, that should be unique one, so you can do some unique work in this pandemic situation. Whatever opportunities in front of us, while using these opportunities, we have to choose remaining other opportunities that we fulfill in the given mentioned time. If you start up it in time zone and reshaping that, and if you consider, oh, I lost then no one can help you. We have to make change and plan for the other opportunities that are available for future. We can sign it, because choice doesn't define an opportunities. So we have to be conscious about all the situations and then choose the different options in front of us. Here we can see a person who wants to search for an opportunities. He or she should have interest in these opportunities with abilities, aptitudes and desire. What are these terms? Interest, aptitudes, abilities and desire. We can see in this example, a hunter tried to kill a tiger. It means hunter interested in tiger. First point is interest. But does the hunter have ability to kill a tiger? Of course yes. A hunter have an ability to kill a tiger. Before hunting, hunter wants to prepare himself. Preparation means aptitude and also have desire to kill the tiger. So the terms interest to kill a tiger, ability to kill a tiger and the preparation and desire, aptitude and desire to kill a tiger. In this situation, there are multiple circumstances like tiger and the target and the preparation by hunter. Hunter also face a multiple obstacle and some of struggle, like other animals makes noise for a hunter to aware a tiger. The running speed of a tiger and the speed of a hunter is also a part of aptitude and desire, because hunter may not get a second chance to kill a tiger. Here we don't want to kill anyone. This is simply an example. So we will compare this example or same situation with the current graduation or undergraduate student. The student should have an interest in their graduation field. Also prepare for a job, interview, competitive or entrance exam and other possibilities in their future. Also have patience enough to look at the situation, time and think about the opportunities with the proper aptitude, preparation and desire. So these are the four pillars, those who are very much interested and important part of an opportunities, that are nothing but your interest, abilities, aptitude and desire. Nice quote on this situation by Winston Churchill. The pessimist see an obstacle in every opportunities. The optimist see an opportunities in every obstacle. We cannot say never once a crisis in an opportunity is available with us. If you think about the obstacle in every opportunities, then we cannot achieve it. We cannot solve the problem. If we want to solve the problem or find out the obstacle that may a part of our opportunities, we can find out the way from obstacle and then achieve the target, which is the part of our opportunities. So suddenly you know that it's a time to start something new and trust the magic of new beginnings in front of us with an opportunities. It's a magic. If you have a desire to do something, then opportunities are in front of us, and there is a magic, and it's a new beginning. Before a pandemic situation, we organize so many activities like organizing physical seminar or any events, which is a part of a very long process, like to call a people or participant, entry of participant, stage, welcome process, speech, etc. It's a time consuming process. We can see in this pandemic situation, we can easily organize online events, collect entries, and share participant certificates. Participant can easily watch an online video anytime, any place. It is an easy process without consuming time, that open for all, open new vista with a various opportunities. This is something I will call it as an opportunities. On one of my favorite song from Tisri Aakh by Mr. Sailendra ji, सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है, ना हाथी है ना घोड़ा है, वहाँ पैदल ही जाना है। उसमें से एक स्टांजा जिसमें लिखा हुआ है, लड़कपन खेल में गया, जवानी नींद भर सोया, बुढ़ापा देख कर रोया, वही किस्सा पुराना है। सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है। In this song, we observe that when we are in a childhood age, that time we always think about to play and enjoy. And in the teenagers, we may waste time in social media like FB and WhatsApp and Instagram, or in the other stuff which may not important for your further life or future, which may not a part of your opportunities, and not properly concentrate in our future, that we may suffer in old age. So as per the song, लड़कपन खेल में गया, जवानी नींद भर सोया, बुढ़ापा देख कर लोया, वही किस्सा पुराना है, सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना। We can say an opportunity is also a part of a win a war. We have to prepare enough in a learning stage, and then we will be the better performance in the battle of a war. Rightly said by one of the greatest philosophers, the more you sweat in the peace, the less you bleed in the war. In other words, we can say running away from your problem is a race you never win. So you have concern about getting job as an opportunity, preparing in learning stage for competitive exam, entrance exam, even though sports, musics are again a part of our opportunities of our life. We have to utilize a time in the learning stage, so we cannot face problem in battle of an interview. Few students think that it's a part of a war. Is it? Is this a war? No. If we didn't prepare ourselves, then it's a part of a war. If you prepare ourselves, then we can win a battle or a war as an interview. Otherwise, we have to choose any other option if we have in front of us. We can say excuse. You can say excuses always be there for your opportunities. After preparing yourself and preparing for a war, at the end of the day, there will be no excuse, no explanation, no regrets. This time we have to be conscious about our weakness, strength. So we are very much conscious about our weakness and strength. Weakness and strength are a part of a human being. No one is perfect. No one is correct in every decision. So identify your weakness, improve your strength, and win the battle of war. Otherwise, you will face the problem and समय यही बीत जाएगा, हाथ में रेत की तरह फिसल जाएगा। इस समय को अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करो, ये सारी सिचुएशंस आते रहेंगी। इसी के साथ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को वेस्ट मत कीजिए, उसको लॉस मत होने दीजिए। आपकी लाइफ आपके हाथ में है। थैंक यू।